Maybe they gave somebody tax, because you know sometimes they used to give you secret tax to do something. Yes, now there you come and take stuff from my locker. Carry my egg.
A hard-working woman. Sometimes a troublesome woman.
Guys, let's start with Onyeka. I feel like it is only in the diary section that Onyeka can be able to let go of her anger, let go of her pain, let go of how she feels. Today, that is her birthday, and the whole issue with her and her elder sister. I know that it's the only place that she can be able to allow herself shed the tears that she wanted to shed. She may not do it in front of the housemates. She may not be able to express herself the way she wants there, but she can actually do that in the diary room. So, and I like the fact that Big Brother was encouraging her, even though it's not yet time for their wager task, trying to, praise her, trying to, motivate her, trying to get her out of her anger, because it gets as the level where you go to that house, your brain will be saturated. You just worn out. You just need a psychologist to talk to. You just need to take a break. Do you understand? And it's okay for her to cry and let loose, and then get back herself, and then be able to do the wager task then. So which is what Big Brother did for her in the diary section. So guys, let's talk about the stolen eggs. Previously, Ben did the job Big Brother told him to do, the secret task of packing every housemate's egg and then bringing it to the diary section for him to take. So now the housemates are now looking for their eggs. Wani and Handy, they wanted to cook Indomie. So Handy went to go and look for the eggs, only for her to find out that the eggs are not there again. She then called her sister that the eggs are not there again. No? And one of them, by the way, twins, was in the room. And then he was like, okay, let him check his own. He checked, his own was not there. They were like, where will all the eggs be? Even Nelly's own is not there. So when she was speaking, she was not like, that she knows that probably Big Brother has given somebody a tax to come and carry the eggs or something, because that's what he usually do. I was like, this is see finish. Big Brother, these people don't see you finish. They've studied the house back to back and know that you definitely sent somebody to come and carry the eggs. But at the end of the day, she was like, how dare that person come and carry the eggs? And then Nelly was like, any hand that took her eggs will bend. So over to you, Big Brother. It be like, say your hand go bend. This house, the things that is supposed to make them get angry, they will never get angry for it. Like Big Brother, I feel like Big Brother is now feeling like the house is too boring and dull. So he needs to do some tasks to just spike them and let them start doing something in the house. Do you get? That's what I feel Big Brother is doing, because obviously they're not giving anything. Even if I told them last Sunday, and yet they still don't understand it. I like the fact that Sean made something out of this week and people spoke about it. Now Onyeka and her sister, so that something will just be doing in that house. Do you get? So that's what I feel at this point. And thank you guys so much for always stopping by, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.